My name is B Walk and welcome back to Cop Your Coin, where I show you how to cop your coin in the fastest growing market in world history. Let's get it. Today I'm going to talk about what to do now. I know in the last video I spoke about the calm before the storm, and little did I know the storm would be to the bearish side or the downside. However, I'm not panicking and neither should you. I want to talk about specifically about Cardano and where I see this going and what I would be doing if I were in your position. And in fact, I am, because guess what, fam? I'm holding Cardano and I'm not about to sell anytime soon. Neither should you. But as always, I'm going to ask you to do three things. I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that alert button so that you know when fresh content is coming out for Cop Your Coin. Okay? Without further ado, let's get into it. It'll be a quick update. So as I like to always start, like I tell you, I start off with the cryptocurrency market cap. And as we can see, we've shed quite a bit of market cap. I think the last video, we were somewhere around 212 billion. And right now we're sitting at about 148. This is right before Thanksgiving. But that's okay. Like I said, Bitcoin dropped below 5,000. That was a big support. I know there were some people out there who didn't think it would get there, but it did. That is not a negative in my opinion. I want the opportunity to get it because I think it's going to go much higher than that. But specifically, I want to talk about Cardano. Now, Cardano right here is at number 9 at 1.2 billion and just under 5 cents, under a nickel at 46. And that is music to my ears, fam. And I'll tell you why. Because I know that Cardano is a fairly strong project. I've been keeping up with them, as I told you about, talked about them before in their roadmap and looking at their site. You can keep pace. Charles Hoskinson was just talking about the next update they have coming here that should be happening in the next couple of weeks. It's going to be a major update, 1.4. Cardano is a very strong project. I think it's going to do wonders. I believe in that project. But let's talk technically. What should you be doing? Okay, so as we look at the charts, this is the hourly chart, and let me switch to the daily. Okay, so this is the daily chart, and as you can see, it's the support we were hanging on to for quite some time was just below 7 cents and like 69, and you see it bounced there once, it bounced there twice, and then a third time, it broke through. And this right here, this candle to you right now was going much lower. Now the interesting thing is that it even crossed the 5 cent threshold, which some believe to be a support. I necessarily didn't believe that. I have it marked down here. I wrote the line because I want to keep track, to keep pace, to see where it is. But as you can see, we have what we call as a doji crossing. This is indecision. I'm not surprised at this. The little lighter volume. We've had some heavy selling, as you can see with the volume here. So the daily has looked like it's going to continue to drop. I'm adding to my position. However, I could buy blindly here. I'll be quite honest. I feel comfortable buying it at nickel because I don't suspect it going much lower than this. But if you really want to be a disciplined trader, you could probably buy it a little lower and wait to see it buy it on the way up. And so we're going to go to the hourly and see that chart right here. And as we can see, it's still kind of moving. We're still trying to getting our footing here. So again, here's the 5 cent, which used to be support. Actually, it was the 7 cents over there, the 5 cent, which some people said was support, which maybe it was for a moment, but it certainly is resistance now. So we're going to look forward to strengthen and get back there. Until then, it might fall lower to 4 cents or even 3 cents. If it does, that's my reaction. I will be loading up. But I just wanted to give you a real quick look. Right now, it does not look bullish to me. If anything, I would say maybe neutral, but it's definitely bearish. We haven't seen any constructive patterns yet, and that's to be expected. We saw the broader market, everything is taking a bath, including the equity market. Equity market is certainly overbought, so that's not surprising. You have the leaders crashing down there, and the cryptocurrency had been holding, kind of trying to stabilize, and no people were calling for the end of the year rally. I myself was looking forward to that, and that still may occur. But at this point right now, I would kind of sit tight. Cardano, I think, is going to present an opportunity here shortly. Keep your wits about you as we go into this holiday and kind of look, because I'm sure that it can strengthen here in a moment's notice. As we know, the cryptocurrency market does not close. So keep your powder dry, as we say. Have money waiting in the wings, ready to put to work when you're ready to go and squeeze that trigger. Okay? So that's what I want to give you the update. Question of the day for you. Are you adding to your position, or are you pushing the panic button and selling them like the rest of the sheep out here? That's all I have for today, and I'll see you guys next time on Cop Your Coin.